Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of the website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get all these questions? You need to visit our website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academic Shraddha. In academic Shraddha, you need to select math important questions. Okay friends, one more thing, all the questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay, so coming back to the given problem, see what is given here. We need to find the area of a triangle ABC. Length of two sides are given, that is A equal to 12.2 meter and B equal to 5.6 meter, and angle C is given as 15.7 degree, and we need to find the area of triangle in meter square. Okay, so how we can find? C, we, in order to find the area we need base and height. Okay, so if you can see this figure, triangle ABC, we know the value of this angle. Okay, we know this A and we know B, but we don't know H. So H can be calculated using basic trigonometry. Okay, so H and B are interrelated using sine C. Okay, so it can be related with each other. So sine C, we know that it is equal to perpendicular, okay, that is height, divided by hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is here B. Okay, so H can be calculated as B sine C. Now we can use this H to find the area of triangle ABC, and we know C, that area equal to half into base into height. Here our base is A, that is side BC. Okay, and height corresponding to this base is H. So it will be equal to half into base into height, that is half into A into H. Okay, and H can be substituted by B sine C as just we have calculated using trigonometry. So it will be A equal to half A B sine C. See, this formula can be used directly if you don't have time or this question contains less marks. Okay, so this formula can be used directly, that is area equal to half A B sine C. So A and B are given as 12.2 meter and 5.6 meter respectively, and angle C is given as 15.7 degree. So substituting all these values in the area equation, we will find A equal to half into A is 12.2, B is 5.6 and sine C is 15.7. So after calculating this, we will get as 9.2 meter square after rounding to the nearest tenth digit. Okay friends, so we can say that area of the triangle ABC is 9.2 meters square. Okay, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.